iOS 18.1 public beta has been released with Apple Intelligence and more features. Let's see how to download it. The iOS 18.1 RC public beta is the last beta release before the general public version releases next week, bringing Apple Intelligence to the iPhone. With the release of iOS 18.1 public beta, users can now experience various AI enhancements. These include a revamped Siri with improved intelligence, writing tools that offer assistance with proofreading and editing, prioritized email notifications to help manage your inbox effectively, text message summarizations for quick insights, smart responses for simplified communication, and a range of other features designed to enhance your mobile experience. iOS 18.1 can be downloaded on any iPhone that supports iOS 18, but Apple Intelligence is exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 16 series. Public betas are more stable than developer betas, but still have bugs and issues that can affect your iPhone. It's better to have a backup of your iPhone. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and hit Backup now. How to download the iOS 18.1 public beta on your iPhone. 1. On your iPhone, go to the Apple Beta Software Program website and sign in, if you are already a member, or sign up for the program. You need an Apple ID, of course. If you are signing up for the first time, follow the prompts. 2. Next, tap the iOS tab and you should see more information about the iOS 18.1 public beta. 3. Under Get Started, hit the blue Enroll Your iOS Device link. 4. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates and choose the iOS 18.1 public beta to install. 5. Finally, go to Settings, General, Software Update and install the iOS 18.1 public beta. Once your phone reboots, you should be running the iOS 18.1 public beta and start exploring with new features of iPhone iOS 18.1 on your iPhone.